Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about another viral app, AI photo app, which is called Viola AI cartoons. And basically the idea is that you can upload your photo or take a selfie, and then your selfie becomes super cool 3D or 2D cartoon or some painting or some caricature, and the quality is amazing. So I just tried this app. It's free, and the quality of the photos and these caricatures and cartoons is just amazing. So definitely try it out. And the developers are promising to add more and more filters. So yeah, this is one of the apps you can't miss if you like face app, if you like it just to play with your selfies or impress your friends. So let's dive into it. So here's Viola AI Artist cartoon photo app. Let's dive into features and how to use it. So first, obviously, you need to go to App Store and install it from the App Store. The size is 191 megabytes. Yeah, as you can see, it's in number 12 in US App Store charts in photo and video. Super impressive. And yeah, here are some descriptions. You can read some reviews. And yeah, again, the idea of the app is that you turn your selfie or your uploaded picture either in cartoon or Renaissance painting or caricature and something like that. So I will just open the app. This is how it looks like. You don't need to create an account or sign in with Google or Apple ID or Facebook. So you can just download the free app and start using it right away. So that's super convenient. Thank you, developers. No need to create an account and then deleting it and all of that. So let's just dive into it. So there are 3D cartoon. So transform your selfie in 3D cartoon, transform your photo into some Renaissance picture, 2D cartoon, caricature. Let's try it out. So I can upload photo, or I can just take a selfie. So let's take selfie. I just tap in the bottom and there you have it. The image start to processing. It goes a bit slow, to be fair, but yeah, it's a free app. If you want it to be faster, you just need to upgrade. And also, if you want to avoid ads, you need to upgrade. And when you upgrade, you remove watermark. But there you have it. Then it creates this kind of photos, emojis, and you have three options like royalty ID, baby 3D, cartoon 3D, just for this filter. Cool. What you do next is just tap in top right to share, and then again you have like three versions. One is just version with your picture in the bottom left and your bigger picture, then is just two pictures compared. And then you have just main picture, but there is just like a watermark in the bottom right. Again, to remove watermark, you need to upgrade. I will talk about it later. So then, yeah, then you can just save it. It's free to save. You don't need to upgrade to save. And then, yeah, of course, you can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, or just go tap on more and open your sharing menu and share on whatever apps you are using. So for example, if I go to Instagram, I can just open up and share it to Instagram. So that's the idea basically. That's how it works. Okay, let's try some different filters. Let's try to turn into Renaissance photo. Haven't tried it before actually, so super curious to see how it works. Actually, the processing on the free version is relatively fast. So just maybe the ads are a bit annoying. But yeah, of course, developers also need to pay for the app and develop, so that's fair. There you have it. That's kind of like a Renaissance photo, like 15th century, 18th century, 20th century. I like this one. Then I can just tap to share, and there you have it. Super cool Renaissance picture, just amazing. Let's try next filter so you see how exactly all filters look like. So there is 2D cartoon. Let's do it. Again, you can also just upload photos, and you can also use celebrities photos there to just to have fun and see how that might look like. So this is that 2D photo, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Royalties 3D, cartoon 2D, and then it's the same process. So that's just for you to have an idea. And let's also try the last filter, the caricature. Super funny. I'm actually impressed with the quality, so it's pretty precise, because there were some more apps before doing similar stuff, but the quality here is super impressive. I think that's why this app is actually in the top charts right now. So there you have it. That's the caricature. I would say pretty cool. So yeah, super funny. And then you can just mention this app is hashtag Viola AI Artist. They also have another coloring app. Anyways, if you want to upgrade, just tap on the crown icon in top right, and here are the prices. Either it's $2.99 per week, $5.99 per month, or $29.99 per year. You save 80%, but you have like 3-day free trial. So you can try that to have like 3-day free trial, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it during the trial. I think the one thing you need to know is that you need to cancel at least 24 hours before the end of the current period, because after that you will be charged. So don't know if it's also it's about the trial, but to be sure, probably you can use it for free like for 2 days and then just cancel it. Do not be charged. But it's only on the annual plan. You can also just try it for a week for like $3, and if you like it, of course, I would recommend to upgrade. Why? Because you remove watermark, fast processing, and no ads. So that's that. Then let's see here what's in the settings. Here are some popular articles, questions. So yeah, to remove ads and watermark, obviously you need to upgrade. To cancel the free trial, yeah, there you have it. And many more to come. So the developers promise that there will be more and more this kind of features, not only Renaissance painting or cartoons, but much more filters. So that's that. And yeah, you can always reach out to them on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, or go to their website. But yeah, I think that is the app. Once again, if you signed up and then want to cancel subscription, just go to App Store app and then go through subscriptions. That at least that's how you do it on iOS. On Google Play it can be different. But that's the app. What do you think, guys? I think the quality of that is like super impressive. So definitely check it out. Also you can also use celebrities. So depending on your location, you'll get some notifications. and then you can just use all these photos and just enter the famous people and turn them into cartoons. So maybe that feature can also be helpful for you. So something like that. So anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick preview of the filters of the app and some tricks how to use it. Please like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I help people with apps, with tech, with software. So I'm just trying to grow my channel to 100,000 subscribers. And visit my website, mrhack.io. Yeah, you can also jump on newsletter and my podcast. Links in the description below. Other than that, thank you so much to watching, especially if you sticked around so far to the end of the video. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos.